Welcome to my YouTube channel and my recipe. Today we'll make fried dough, which is famous recipe in Turkey. Ingredients: 4 cups flour, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 packet of dry yeast, 2 teaspoons sugar, 1 glass of warm milk and 1 glass of warm water. Please make sure they are warm, not too hot or cold. Mix. I kneaded the dough. It took such a consistency. Close and wait.
1 hour later.
I think it's puffed up enough. Some flour. I will divide it into several parts to make it easier to shape. Not that bad. Okay, now we have a few pieces. You can shape the dough using items such as lids. If you are a lazy person, cut into slices with a knife. This is easier. When the oil is hot, you can fry the dough. You have to be careful while doing this. You can coat the fried dough with crystalline sugar. If you want, you can consume it with salty foods such as cheese or sweet foods such as marmalade and jam. I think the one with crystal sugar is so delicious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.